Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about something that's been making waves for its rich pigment and sleek design, the NYX Professional Makeup Super Cliquey Matte Lipstick in Dangerous. If you're into bold, pigmented lips, this one promises to deliver on that front. So, let's see if this lipstick is as dangerous as its name suggests, or if it's just another gimmick in the crowded lipstick market. This lipstick comes in a rich, burgundy shade that's perfect for those who love a deep, bold lip. What really caught my attention, though, is the clicker design. It's not just for looks. It's a functional feature that pushes the lipstick up in a precise, controlled manner. The packaging is compact and sleek, so it's easy to carry around, and the teardrop-shaped bullet? Genius. It's designed to give you a more precise application, especially when lining the lips. It definitely has the feel of a high-end lipstick, but at an affordable price point. Now let's talk about the product itself. The texture of the Super Cliquey Matte Lipstick is ultra creamy. It glides on smoothly and feels lightweight, almost like you're wearing nothing at all. Despite the matte finish, it doesn't leave my lips feeling dry, which is always a concern with matte formulas. This is definitely a lipstick you can wear for hours without it sucking the moisture out of your lips. The color payoff is seriously impressive. 1 or 2 layers is more than enough to get a saturated, intense color. It's highly pigmented, and a little goes a long way, so you won't be constantly reapplying. As for wear time, I've tested it through meals, drinks, and talking, and while it does transfer a bit, it holds up pretty well. You will need a touch-up after eating, but that's standard for most lipsticks with a matte finish. It doesn't settle into fine lines or feel patchy as the day goes on, which is a plus for anyone who's used to the maintenance some matte lipsticks require. In terms of usability, I love how easy it is to apply, thanks to the teardrop shape. It's like having a built-in lip liner, which is perfect for those who are always in a rush but still want a sharp, defined lip. It's also small enough to throw into any bag for quick touch-ups on the go. So let's break down the pros and cons here. Pros? The pigmentation is top-notch, just 1 or 2 layers and you've got full coverage. The creamy texture is comfortable for a matte lipstick, no drying out here. The clicker packaging is super fun and functional. The teardrop bullet makes application a breeze, especially for precision. Long-lasting wear with minimal touch-ups needed. Cons? While it's a great formula, the lipstick can transfer onto glasses or cups, so don't expect it to be completely transfer-proof. The color range, while bold and beautiful, might not suit everyone's taste. Dangerous is a deep, bold burgundy, great for those who love dramatic lips, but not for those who prefer nudes or pinks. Now, in terms of value for money, this lipstick is priced affordably, especially considering the performance. If you're looking for a high-impact matte lipstick that doesn't dry out your lips, this one is definitely worth the price tag. There are similar options out there, but few that combine pigmentation, comfort, and ease of use like this one does. If you're on the hunt for a more budget-friendly option, some drugstore brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal offer great matte lipsticks with a similar creamy texture and rich color payoff. They might not have the cool clicker packaging, but they do come close in terms of performance. Now, I want to take a moment to give a quick shout out to NYX Professional Makeup for their customer service. I haven't personally reached out to them for any issues, but they have a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful when customers have questions. To wrap up, the NYX Professional Makeup Super Cliquey Matte Lipstick in Dangerous is a solid pick if you're looking for bold, comfortable, long-lasting color in a convenient and fun-to-use package. It might not be entirely transfer-proof, but it's still a great addition to any lipstick collection. If you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. Let me know how it worked for you. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.